In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Slides offline. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or school, sometimes you need the flexibility to work without an internet connection. Let's explore how you can set up your Google Slides to work offline efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Slides. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing in Google Slides, or directly heading to slides.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account details. Having an active Google account login is essential, as it will give you access to all your files stored in Google Drive and allow you to save your work offline. Now that you're signed into your Google account, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can see all your active presentations and begin new ones. Here, you have the option to start a new presentation. You can either click on the blank presentation option to start from scratch, or choose from the selection of ready-made templates. Templates can be particularly useful if you want to save time formatting your slides, as they come with preset designs. Once you've entered your new or existing presentation, you'll find all your familiar slide editing options. Now, let's make this presentation available offline by clicking on the File menu located at the top left of your screen. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Make Available Offline. Simply click on this option. This handy feature ensures that your work will be accessible even when you're not connected to the internet. It's always a good idea to make sure the presentation you're working on can be accessed offline, especially if you're anticipating internet connectivity issues. In some cases, you might be prompted to install an extension called Google Docs Offline. This extension is crucial as it facilitates the offline mode for Google Slides, as well as Docs and Sheets. If you see a prompt that indicates this extension is needed, click on it and follow the instructions to install it. Once the extension is installed, you'll be able to open, edit, and save your presentations even when your device is offline. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your Google Slides for offline use. This feature can be particularly empowering when you're working in environments with unreliable internet or when traveling. Remember, always double check that your offline settings are enabled before you disconnect, so you're not caught off guard when you need to work without the internet. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps optimize your productivity with Google Slides.